Hey, this is my truck. It's a 98 Chevy Silverado Z71. It's a 350. It's got a tool exhaust with cherry bomb glass packs. I want to show you what the exhaust looks like. There's one cherry bomb, and the other one's right there. Alright, here's the back of the exhaust. You can see it's kind of ratty and messed up. It's been fixed a couple times. I'm going to have the exhaust exit right about here. I'll show you in the next video. Alright, I'm going to start it up and let you hear what it sounds like.